All right, guys, welcome back to Tron Trucking. Good morning. Well, we're currently at, where's this place? Rev-A-Shelf? Let's see. Yeah, we're currently at Rev-A-Shelf in Louisville, Kentucky, as you can kind of see. And I've checked in, I've backed into this little area right here. I've opened my doors, and I'm waiting on door number 35, where that truck with the hood open is at. So I'm gonna back into there. I do have my 360 camera mounted up here, so hopefully we get some good shots. So this time, you know, I'm gonna cut it and then go in and, like, I know people have been asking about it, you know, because the whole moving the head back and forth thing is really frustrating to even watch for myself. But we have upgraded, got 2 cameras now, and the phone as well. But yeah, we're gonna get some good shots here. I don't know what we're getting loaded with. I don't know what Rev-A-Shelf is, but it is what it is. As long as it's not overweight, we don't really care, right? But yeah, all right, guys. I think he's about to start it up and get out of here, and get everything started. Check. Alright, guys, we are loaded. The weight is only 3,000 pounds, so we're essentially empty, and we're going to be headed back to the yard in Akron, Ohio. It's about a 5-hour drive from Louisville. I haven't had a light load in a while, well, like this, 3,000 pounds, since maybe like my first trip to California. So this is going to be interesting. I will say though, leaving up out of here, if I'm going the same way I came in, we'll find out. But if I'm going the same way that I came into this place, it was tight, like small town, well, small roads. I gotta go around these bumps. Like small roads, kind of frustrating to get back here. Just had to be attentive to what you were doing. You're not gonna sway to the left or the right because of the there's like a drop off right over the white line, and then you have the double yellow line there and cars coming throughout. All right, we're gonna get out of here. I do realize when I pulled into there, my setup was a little bit off because I had that truck that I had to go around, but I could have waited. But he seemed like he was looking at his paperwork, and it was gonna take him a while. So I said, I'm not gonna hold up the guys from loading. So I'm gonna go ahead and take advantage of the space that I have. So I cut it kind of short, not on purpose, and since I did that, let's see, nobody's coming. Since I cut it kind of short like that, I had to make additional adjustments. Just to my blind side. I just didn't want to, I want to be probably extra cautious and not hit anything. But man, getting onto this little road back here, wonder if I can just take a left out of here. No, can't. We're gonna go back the way we came. Again, it is tight through there. But, alright guys, right along, and this truck's going the opposite way. Nah, I saw no truck routes through there. Have to go the way that we came. Hopefully the right side of the road isn't as tight as the left was, but we're gonna swing this extremely wide because it is a 2-lane road, and make sure that nobody's coming either way. They are not. Looking at my spot mirror. Yeah, I cut that way wide, but again, nobody was coming, just to give me enough room to do it. We are, yeah, let's go. See how like it's tight through here. Don't want to take out anybody's mailbox on this side now. But I did make it through, no issues on the way in, so if you can go in, you can go out. But I am liking like the views. You guys got to tell me how you like the views from the 360 camera. It's completely new to me. The whole editing for it is new to me as well. So I'm kind of excited about getting into and just learning how this thing works and getting the best shots possible, because I feel like I do a lot of exciting stuff out here, but maybe to viewers, but at the same time I don't know how to really capture everything without showing everything. So I'm gonna do a lot more of that, a lot more getting out of the truck, maybe going to where I'm going. It's just weird to walk up to people with a camera. Like, I don't like that. I wouldn't personally like that. Probably wouldn't say anything. Like, I'm okay with it. It's just like, if there's a choice, then I'm not going to want to do that. And for other people, I definitely don't want to just walk up to somebody with a camera recording. Like, not everybody's in that space, especially not in the logistics realm. Like, some people just don't care. But for the most part, I haven't been no place that it's like no recording. I mean, every truck has recording, but you might have individuals that don't want that. Yeah, I guess it wasn't too bad leaving. The whole cliffside was over there, and I also had a lot of trucks coming through here when I was coming through, so we were passing each other kind of tight. It's just uncomfortable. It's manageable. But look at this Louisville grass. That is nice, man. If I can get that at my house, shoo. I know I like some nice grass. All right, what is this looking like? Yeah, we're going. We gotta go. All right. Well, it wasn't, like I said, it wasn't as bad like leaving. Getting into there, I guess because it was new, it was kind of frustrating. I'm gonna turn on some of my lights. But getting out of there wasn't bad at all. But that's all I have for now. We got about 5 hours to get to Akron. We gotta hit, of course, Cincinnati, Columbus, and I'm sure we'll be right back. Alright guys, so we are now in Akron, Ohio. So I just got an interesting call from my dispatcher. He's like, can you make it to Houston, Texas by Friday? It's Wednesday. At like 6 in the morning. I was like, sure. So we're going from here to Houston, which should be pretty cool. I haven't been to Houston in a while.
After 3/4 of a mile, keep.
Shut up. But yeah, so we're gonna drop this load, then we gotta go to the Our House Furniture, I guess the warehouse in Boston Heights. So it's about a 25-minute drive, and I currently have 4 hours on the clock remaining. So I'm gonna try to knock out a bunch of it tonight. This turn as always. So yeah, I'm gonna try to knock out at least the last 3 to 4 hours, find a place to stop. That way, the trip, I could have most of it, some of it knocked out today, start up again around tomorrow around 4 in the morning, and then finish it out. Oh man, so dusty back in here. It's so crazy. This yard is so full. Any other time, I come through, this yard is so full. These trailers are crooked. Might not be able to fit. I'm gonna move over to the right some. Be nice. We're in there.